Hey, it's Debbie. Well, baby number 3 was just born, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. This one's not crying like the other ones. There's the other 2 right there. And I hope this one's gonna be good, okay. But it took a while. Sometimes it does take a while because they could be in labor up to 5 or 6 hours. And but number 3 is born, and she feels like she still has babies in there. I guess they're not ready yet, but she's cleaning it real good. So, but I'm exhausted. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to bed, and I guess I'll find out in the morning how many more she had. So, God bless y'all, and good night. See you in the morning. All right, bye.